friends, to Stitch in Heaven Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Debbie and I'm here today to feature one of our wonderful Block of the Months for June. It is Amish with a Twist Series 1. The designer is Nancy Rink. This program is an 8-month program, and this quilt, when completed, will be 88 by 105 inches. With this Block of the Month, you will not only get fabric for the quilt top, but you'll also get fabric for the border, binding, and backing. And this particular quilt also has an applique, a laser applique border that will come in your month 7 Block of the Month. So wonderful, wonderful feature. So let me dive right in and talk to you about what you'll be receiving in your first Block of the Month. In month 1. So first, you're going to get in your first month 6 yards of background fabric, this beautiful black fabric. All these colors just pop on this black fabric, okay? So in your first month, you'll also receive all the colors that are pictured here. Now, because we know that a lot of these colors are very close in their hues, we do label each fabric color so that you'll know which ones to be using according to the pattern. In this first month also, you'll get this beautiful pattern book that has a beautiful picture of your block, of your quilt, inside there will be a fabric key. You'll also have all the information on how to create this quilt. Now, this pattern is laid out by lessons. So in your first month, you're going to be basically going through lessons 1 through 3. And then in your second month, you'll be going through lessons 4 through 6 and on and on. In month 5, you will have your block frames, and then you'll have your sashing and borders lessons after that as well. So excellent pattern book, very descriptive, lays out again all of your materials that you will be receiving, your colors. So beautiful pattern book. There's also applique information also in the back as well. In addition, you'll also receive this beautiful welcome letter. And this welcome letter just provides some additional information to help you as well. It lays out when this Block of the Month bills out. It does bill out on the 13th of the month. Again, this is an 8-month program, so it's got that information on there as well. You open up the brochure and you see a beautiful picture of your quilt. You have links to the various needed information. You've got a Facebook link. We really encourage everybody to join this Facebook group. It's a wonderful way to share your quilting journey along with others that are also making this quilt. It's also a good way to share photos that you've of your quilt that you've made along the way with others. Everybody just loves to see how others who are also making the quilt, they're doing as well. We also have a link for the fabric key, a link to subscribe to the newsletter, and then also a link to update your billing information. And on the back of the brochure, we also have information with regards to our store hours and our customer service hours. Our customer service team is here to help you with any questions that you have, any needed additional fabric that you might need. Maybe the instructions weren't very clear and you needed some additional information on the instructions. They're there to help you as well. So one other thing too, if you were not able to get into this Amish with a Twist program, please go onto our website. We have lots and lots of other fantastic, beautiful quilts that one can make. And so please go onto our website, click on our Block of the Month program, and you'll see all the various quilts listed there. If you see one you're interested in, please feel free to register and we'll get you started right on this wonderful quilting journey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.